So the car has been sitting outside, you know, while I've been getting the engine prepped and ready, and it's probably got some build up. Put the old race car hood on just to protect it, but I think today might be the day. I think I'm just gonna roll it in and put the engine in. Got a little help today. I think Ramon's gonna help me, but yeah, it's let's go ahead and get the engine in. Alright, so let's go over a little something on what I got going on right now. Got the engine ready, got the hooks and the chain on, supercharger's all fully down, got the IAC all bolted back up, and obviously the car's here. Got the transmission down there. I hear some cars. Who's pulling up? What's up, Paul?
I got bad news.
Anand! Jib, get you some.
What's going on, Paul?
Breaking out.
See my new my wall tapper?
You Jesus! Didn't you just? This is the first time you drove the car.
Yeah. That's from the trailer.
That wasn't even from driving.
Nope. Look, the other side too.
That's from the chains on the trailer.
Why didn't you guys strap from the wheel?
No, it was the ramps. It's like a heavy duty trailer. But I came here because I have a problem. Like always, you know. It's breaking up under boost.
We got a boost leak.
Yeah, you got a boost leak, man. You popped the Kepler.
No, but
We got a boost leak. We need a boost leak tester.
they're all on it. I had an insane amount of boost leaks when I took it there.
We had like 14 of them.
Noobs. Just got it dyno today.
Yeah. I made 430. 430.
On
Slipping.
clutch was slipping.
Yeah.
Tell them why it was slipping.
Because it's a 20-year-old clutch.
Old 1990 part.
Yeah, but
Oh, it's Geigen.
I can buy like a rebuild kit and do that. So I'm gonna keep the same clutch and then
New plate.
make more power and blow it up.
All right. Well, it looks good.
Ants turn to drive.
Put my engine in, boys.
You did?
Right now.
Where's it at? Let me see.
So I mean, I'm getting ready to put it in.
Oh, it's not even in yet?
No, I was just about to start talking about it.
Start talking about it. KA24 twin charge, baby.
Hell yeah.
Well, it's not twin charge yet.
Twin charge, baby.
Hell yeah.
Is that Kevin Lawrence?
That is Kevin Lawrence.
Oh my god.
Hell yeah!
Kevin's working on his Laurel. Well, here it is.
That ain't a turbocharger.
No, sir.
Hell no.
So you're putting it in right now. With no transmission on it.
I mean, the transmission's right there, bro. I was just talking exactly what I was talking about. I was like,
You about to put that on?
hey, man, about to put this on. Here, some people pulled up. But just realized the engine hoist is not here, and I'm going to have to forklift it.
Where's your flywheel?
I mean, it can't go on there with the engine stand.
Your flywheel.
About to lift it up.
What clutch you on?
You know, you got to make a guess. There you go.
Baby? White money?
Yep. He knows. He knows what's up.
That's the good stuff.
All right, so about to start doing that. As I was saying, don't have the engine hoist. Gonna use the good old forklift there. So let's see how this goes. No, I mean Green took the hoist home today, and I didn't know. So it's a bunch of good luck. Alright, so that actually went pretty smooth. Transmission's on. Engine's about ready to go in. Engine bay looks prepped. Is it prepped, Mike?
Thing is good to go.
Which means we're gonna...
Looks pretty
This is
clear.
probably the last time this is gonna look nice.
I'm gonna scratch it up.
I'm gonna scratch the living shit out of it. And over here too.
Try to balance it.
And we'll probably bend some lines and break those and break the box and probably drop it and smash the oil pan, you know. Actually, none of that's gonna happen because how many times have you done this before?
22.
Yeah. Yes.
Swap.
I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing.
KA over SR though.
Yeah. If you guys haven't seen that, go back to the previous video. Watch about the love between
Or
SR suck. Turn it more.
why is your steering wheel upside down?
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and try to drop this in right now. So this is it. It's in. Progress. And I want to thank Mike. I'm Paul.
Boom.
Thank you. Sorry your car's broken, but you'll fix it.
I will.
You seem so depressed.
I am.
Are you smiling?
Huh?
That's like the saddest smile I've ever seen.
Well, I just got a tune and now it doesn't work.
Is there
Ant,
tears?
tell him the problem.
Is there tears in
Tell him
there?
the problem.
I don't know the problem.
No, Ant's gonna tell you the problem.
What's the problem?
Tell him the problem.
It's not a KA, bro.
Not a KA, Paul.
Yeah.
Well, what does that have to do with anything?
No. He's got a point.
It's not a KA.
Yeah. Let's just put anything in it.
It will work forever.
Mike, what kind of engine do you have?
I have a KA, but it's broken.
God damn, you know, don't cut.
Come on, man.
Retake. Mike, what kind of good engine do you have,
I
bro?
have like the best running KA in the whole 13
Woo!
years running strong 450 wheels. Full stock KA. Stock transmission too.
There's actually no turbo, it's just 450 wheel.
Yep. Yeah,
Alright, so Mike has a broken KA.
Yeah.
It's not broken, it's just in rebuild
I
process.
got another one for $400.
Yeah.
Good compression.
Alright, so engine's in, supercharger's mounted. It's gonna be on to just the header, exhaust, and harness, and cage, and paint, and you know.
And then he quits.
No.
And then he's gonna drift the shit.
Drifting! But, alright, we're out of here. Calling it a night. These guys are out. Thanks again for the help. And get some rest. Everybody, y'all have a good night.